So then we've got x minus 2 squared, y plus 2 squared equals 8. Okay, remember both of our sign switches in our equations, and then our 8 was already squared for us. Last ones here we're going to do is just graphing. So it's working backwards. That idea of switching becomes very important. Okay, looking from the point to the equation, they just switch signs. So now we'll be given the equation and we're using that to find the center. Well, you'll notice on this first one there was nothing with x or y. That was from having 0, 0 be our center, because nothing was being subtracted like we normally have. Then the radius, this last number here, is r squared. So to find the radius, I know r squared is 16, so I just have to take the square root of that, which is 4. So plot a big dot at 0, 0, and then from there, the radius will count 4 in each direction. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, put a dot. Back to the center, 4 up, put another dot. Back to the center, 4 to the left, and then the same thing, we're going 4 down. Once you have those, you can connect them. Make sure you're trying to get as curved as possible here. Okay, it doesn't have to look like a perfect circle, that's okay. Just try to get as smooth of a curve as possible. Next one, same concept. We have a minus 2, so we switch it to a positive 2 for the center. We have a minus 1 over here, that switches to a plus 1. So our center is 2, 1. Then the radius, we just have to take the square root of that number, so the square root of 9, and that gives us 3. So 2 to the right and up 1 is our center. Make it a little bit bigger of a dot. And then we're counting 3 each direction from that point. So 1, 2, 3 to the right, back to the center, 3 up, back to the center again, 3 to the left, and then finally down 3 from the center. Once you have those 4 points plotted, you can go ahead and connect them, forming a circle. Last one here, you'll notice I changed this number to be 4. That's to make sure it actually fits on your grid there. Okay, so I want you to change that to a number 4. Once you've done that, pause the video and try graphing this one on your own. Alright, hopefully you got the center, negative 2, 0. There was nothing with y, so that has to be 0. And then square root of 4 is 2, so we're counting 2 each direction from that. Alright, if you have any questions, please come see me.